In this video, I'm going to tell you how to use a Hostinger coupon code plus an amazing coupon code which can give you an awesome and maximum discount while buying hosting from Hostinger. So what you have to do, you have to click on the link in the description. One of the link is like this. Once you click on that link, you will see a page like this. So what you have to do, you have to come over to hosting. They have hosting, VPS, so they have a lot of plans. You can choose any plan according to your preference or requirement. Let's say we are going with web hosting. Once you select that, you will be redirected to a page like this. You can see their reviews, amazing reviews for Hostinger. And then over here you can choose plans. You can choose any plan according to your preference and requirement. Just do a comparison of what you are looking for, and you will do a comparison and see. The best of all is that all of the plans have 30 days money back guarantee, 24/7 support, 99.9% uptime guarantee. You are also getting a malware scanner and cloud-clear protected name server security. And the best thing about Hostinger is that they have an amazing fast speed, and they have data centers all around the world. They also offer free migration service in case if you're coming from another hosting company. So now to use a coupon code, select the add to cart over here for any plan according to preference. And then once you click on add to cart, you will be redirected to another page. You can see a summary of what you are going to get from Hostinger, and 30 days money back guarantee is included. You can see a summary over here. Now come over here and choose your period: 12 months, 24, 48 months and 1 month. So any plan you can opt according to your requirement. Let's say we are going with 48 months because 48 months save you the most, plus 3 months free, and you are getting a free domain as well. Come over here and select the have a coupon code over here. This is how you can use a coupon code on Hostinger. Just select the have a coupon code button, click on this link and write this coupon code, which you can find in the description of this video as well, and then select the apply button. And you can see that a price got a further reduction from $143 to $129, and price gone from 2.99 to 2.69. So this is an amazing way to use a coupon code on Hostinger. Plus use this coupon code because this is the coupon code which will give you the maximum possible discount from Hostinger, and through the link in the description of this video. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.